What's going on, YouTube? We are back in Madden 16 Ultimate Team for a pack opening. We have 16 packs, all different types. We got Playmaker, Promo, Pro Packs, Gatorade Packs, NFL.com Packs, Journey Packs, whatever these are. So we're going to start out with the Gatorade Packs. Probably finish the Pro Packs last. And I just want to see what these, okay, they have, are these auctionable? Okay, these are... okay. They're definitely sell for some coins. Oh, and we get golds. That's solid. I would do these Gatorade packs. If you get golds out of it, do them. And do we get a gold? Nope. But like Chip Kelly's, that's defense. It was offense. He'll sell. I doubt we get any elites out of this. We only got that one gold so far, but all the silver players will definitely go into the lineup. I don't even know who that guy is. You know, he plays for the Skins. Still don't know who he is. Bills offense. That's actually a good book. I had that on my Draft Champions team. It's a good playbook. Can we get one more gold though? I mean, you guys can't give me a gold. Yeah, give me. All right. How many more Gatorade packs do we have? I want a gold. Nope, they're just not. They're like, yeah, I know what you want, but you just can't have it. Some of these will sell, I hope. Alright, last one. We didn't get anything out of that. So those just sucked. Let's do these Journey packs, see what's in here. No idea what these are. Oh, silver players. Okay. Are they auctionable? No. Oh, Dre. He's got some. That's a kick returner right there. He's got some speed. And you can't auction them. Just fine. That's fine. See what's in this other one. What we got in here? Are these? No. Okay. Well, that sucks. But they will definitely right now go into my lineup and do something decent for me. Let's do the Playmaker pack. I have no idea what this is. I got it when I pre-ordered. Vikings. Are these auctionable? Okay. Rob Gronkowski. What is this? Becomes player edition of this line. Player September 25th. That's like a month. Damn, I get a 91 elite for a month. Okay, Gronk, you're like just promoted to starter forever until the 25th. Okay, that's solid. That is solid. I like that. We'll do this NFL.com pack thing. See what we get out of it. Michael Bush. Well, we have Bo Jackson right there now. Okay. That's... I like this. Okay. Even though they might not, you can't sell them, but damn. 1, 2, 3, 4 gold players out of just an NFL.com reward pack, whatever that is. Thank you, NFL.com. So we got 3 Pro Packs. These are all auctionable. Anything you pull out of this. Can we get an elite? One elite pull? That would be nice. Be a nice little... Nope. Nope. We're not going to use him. At all. Evan Spencer. Okay. 59. Get some contract out of that. That's about it. Manny Lawson. I don't even know. Oh, we got 2 golds. Oh. Well, dang. Okay, that works. Donald Thomas. AT&T Stadium. All these are good. Well, we'll see. One elite. Give me one elite. Yeah, these all can be auctioned off. We got our elite, Brandon Brooks. I'm not sure who you are, but I like it. We finally got my elite. In the first pack opening, we got an elite. That is beautiful. Any speed run too, that's perfect. 95. Oh, your pass blocking sucks. What are you, a guard? Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. You can't pass block with it. Damn, though. But can't auction them. That's perfect. He'll go great in the starting lineup. Let's do that now. See what our lineup is after those packs being open. It's a 63 right now. They're putting in Gronk. Lineup. Generate best team overall. A 73. Okay. We got Ross out there. Archer. Our line is all gold except our right tackle. A good tight end. I like that. That's nice. Wide receiver still sucks. Running back's okay. You got a good tight end though. Corners still suck. Okay. Okay. Team still sucks. Hunley, what's his speed? Better than Wilson, who I had. 80. Okay, 85. That will work. But right now, that will definitely work. 91 throw power. That's why his overall so bad. His awareness sucks, but everything else is solid. Throw deep is okay. Throw mid sucks. His throw short's good and throw power is good. I like it. That'll work. Can't sell him, so right now he's gonna start. And I'm gonna get into a game right now, see what we can do. That'll be up probably before this. I don't know. We'll see. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I am out. Till next time, as always, do work.